Hi, I'm Shukriti from online batch 2, evening batch, and it is all about experiencing and sharing experience with you all, like how online classes we are like feeling and how the faculty is and all. So I would like to say that the faculties are very cooperative and like what to say, very helpful. सो जैसे कि हम लोग लाइक ऑल ओवर इंडिया से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए, लाइक ऑल ओवर इंडिया में रह के भी हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि ऑफलाइन हो तो यू हैव टू स्टे इन दिल्ली एंड देन यू हैव टू डू द क्लासेस एंड दैट एक्सपेंडिचर ऑल्सो इज़ मोर, आई गेस, है ना. सो इन केस ऑफ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आप घर पे बैठे ही अपना जितना पढ़ाई है वो कर सकते हो, और द कंटेंट इज़ ऑल्सो सो मच लाइक ऑल्सो वेरी गुड एंड you can say very updated, so you can, it is helpful, very helpful, and it will help in your during your exam purpose also. Like I have taught like in last 2 years, but sometimes like I feel like my knowledge during BSc time, and now it is total, like it is more updated and upgraded, you can say. And the experiencing with the faculty is like you won't feel like you are doing in online classes, it's just like it and upgraded, you can say. And the experiencing with the faculty is like you won't feel like you are doing in online classes, it's just like offline class basis only, na. You are just interacting face to face, and they will clear your all doubts, and in discussion forum also you can put your doubts and they will solve it, and then they will arrange every week they will arrange a Zoom meeting, and then you can clarify in there, and doubt sessions also. So we can do like our like doubts also, you can clear then and there, and even they are available on calls too. So it is very, I think for me it is very good experiencing in like experience during online session, I think. And it is the, I think it is best, and Accon is helping me so much that I think I can do much better than I have done before, I think. So thank you Accon, and thank you faculties. Upen sir, Rohit sir, thank you so much for helping us and putting so much effort for us. Thank you.